Hey guys! We keep on tracking data in Kibana. We are now about to make data visualization. You must admit that everything was easy so far. Let's go on. We have our valid file in Kibana. No filters, no queries, which means all records are now available. We have the 1392 hits. Now it's time to train. Okay, let's get the number of valibs filled. You can see that there are 500 records with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Let's visualize that without any other query or filter. And we already have a graphic. The y-axis is a count and the abscissa is number of valibs. But what do we see here? By default, we have a descending histogram. It shows us the amount of times when a station has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. valibs. Seems like station can contain up to 21 bytes and that many times stations are out of valibs or short, because the biggest counts are stations with 0, 1, 2 or 3 free valibs. We want to go deeper now. Let's click on the Visualize menu and create a graphic. You have many different types of visualizations. Let's make a pie. Click on our file. Okay. We get our 1392 hits. Let's play with that and update matrix. Count is good, but a count of what? Let's say we want slices of the pie to get the count of the different station status. Let's click on Aggregation to check available values in station status field. In that case, it contains words, so we select terms. Now we select the fields we want to play with. Station status. Nothing changes, but it's okay. You have to click on the play button to get the available update of the viz. Okay, now we're talking. You can see that in the period of time we previously selected, stations were largely operative. That's a graphic I want to save. Obviously, you can do pretty much any graphic customization you want, but we let your artistic taste express itself. Okay, let's save this viz. I'm gonna call it État des stations Vélib, which means Vélib station status. Okay, I can see that my viz is now saved. Let's go back to Discover menu and check the geographical coordinates. That's something really cool about this file. Okay, this file concerns Paris, so we have the whole activity in the city of romance. No, we're not chauvinist. Never mind, you can crop the region by clicking here. Kibana automatically zooms in. You can see circles with different colors and surfaces. As you can see in the legend chart, count is divided in color by range. You can change it all in the options menu. Let's try a viz by grid, for example. Don't forget to validate with the play button. Okay, it looks different. In this case, I think it has less impact, but much better if you zoom out. You can see something interesting, but let's try a heat map. This is a very cool way to discover our data. We are predators of infos. I like it. Let's save this viz. You already can see how powerful our Drop to Kibana tool is. The data are processed in milliseconds and the graph is instantly great and customizable to have the best possible data viz. We'll show you tons of options later on. We guess this video helps you understand how easy it is to have a great data viz insight with our solution. We know that this tool is a powerful one, but OCTAVEIO made it as simple as it could to make everybody reveals data secret. The next step is to create your dashboard. And believe us, you haven't seen how OCTAVEIO's Drop to Kibana tool is huge yet. Bye guys! Don't miss our next tutorial.